In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Grok AI account. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting your account is permanent. It removes your data and access, and you may not be able to recover anything afterward. If you have any important chats, settings, or billing records you want to keep, consider saving copies first. Also, if you have an active subscription, make sure it's handled appropriately, since deletion typically ends your access. Start by opening your browser and going to grok.com. If you aren't already signed in, use the same login method you normally use for Grok. You might be asked to verify your identity, especially if you have two-factor authentication enabled, so keep your authentication method nearby. Once you're on Grok, look for Settings. This is usually found under your profile picture or username, often in the top corner of the page. Click into Settings to access the controls related to your account and privacy. Inside Settings, locate the section called Data Controls. This is the area where Grok centralizes options for managing what the service stores about you. Open Data Controls to see the choices available for managing or erasing your information. Here, select Delete. Choosing this will start the account deletion process. You may see a brief explanation of what will be removed and what will be retained for legal or security reasons. Read that carefully so you know exactly what's happening to your data. When you proceed, Grok will route you to its account hub. You'll arrive at the XAI account page. From here, click the Data tab. This tab brings together tools for exporting, managing, and deleting your data. It's a good place to double check that you don't need to download anything before you finalize deletion. Next, click Delete again to confirm you want to remove your account. At this point, the system will ask you to confirm your identity by typing the email address associated with your account. Enter your email exactly as it appears on the account to unlock the final confirmation. Then click Delete to complete the process. After you submit, you should see a confirmation message on screen. You may also receive an email acknowledging the request. In some cases, deletion begins right away. In others, there may be a short processing period during which your access is removed and your data is scheduled for erasure. If you don't see the options mentioned, try using a desktop browser, refreshing the page, or signing out and back in. And if you run into any issues, reach out to Grok or XI support with your account details for assistance.